Welcome back to another video. Today we are going to install a new front lip. I know I said I wasn't gonna get another one, but she was looking a little naked. To bring everything together, I bought a new front lip. Came all the way from the UK. I ordered it January 21st and it came today. So not too long, like a week. Pretty good. I like this lip because I haven't seen a lot of F22s or 2 Series in general run this. But fortunately, I'm currently at work. I am working 6 days this week, OD. I'll be back once I am off work. Shout out Kanye, man, the GOAT. Also, I did not forget about the mid-pipe and charge pipe review. Like I said, I want to give a very in-depth review. I don't want to just say willy-nilly. Long story short, I'm loving it, but I will have the in-depth review probably, if not this week, next weekend. And yes, sir. But yeah, we about to get some wheels, probably new tires too, just to complete it. Still need to get the flex fuel sensor, but then definitely done with performance until I need a new turbo, if I ever need a new turbo. It's a year to build the car, bro. That's wild. Now I can really enjoy it how I want it. But yeah, enough of me yapping away. Like I said, I'll be back once I'm off work. Much love.
All right, guys. So here's the new front lip. It's looking great. The only downside were like the holes, like they were pre-drilled, but they weren't drilled enough. So I had to go one by one and make sure that the screw fits. So now we about to put it on the V right now. I'm excited. I'm actually excited to see how this looks, but it is nighttime, as you can see. I'm out here still in the work fit, light on, all that, man. But we about to get it on real quick. Let's do it. Luckily, I kept my extra bolts from when I broke my first lip, so I have enough bolts all around.
All right, guys, so we're back. Obviously, you see, brand new day, it's daytime. Long story short, the original OEM screws for my bumper are not long enough to go through the front lip, so I gotta go buy some more. It's like my 3rd time going to Home Depot because I've been buying the wrong screws, either the wrong size or the wrong length. But we finally got it right, so I'm about to head over there one more time, exchange everything, and hopefully, this is the one. Guys, so we just left Home Depot. I got what I needed. These screws right here, bro. I went to Home Depot 3 times today, dog.
All right. So this is how it came out. Don't mind my paint chips. Shout out KVSB.
Low-key had to drill into my bumper, but hey, I'm not gonna lie, it looks amazing. It's fire. There's a shadow on it. I'll get a better clip for you guys, but
Fresh install. Oh my God, my front bumper is tore up. It looks great though.
I'll get a better clip when there's not shade, but this is looking good. Nasty.
How she look at nighttime. I'm in love. I did have to drill into my bumper, but hey man, it looked too clean. Too clean.
That's pretty much it for this video. The lip looks crazy. Yeah, it came out chef's kiss. Thank you for watching. As always, tuning in. Till next time, I will see you guys on the next video.